Holidays on Shoestrings. Presents. One tree, many birds. It just started out lazing around on the veranda, watching the beautiful scenery, when it suddenly struck us that much closer was something equally beautiful. One tree where many birds flocked. Some came for the fruit, some for the shelter, others for the worms below. The Caliber tree, which as children we referred to as wild cherries, is as much a favorite with birds as it was with us kids. The gold-fronted Leafbird. The Greenish Warbler. The red Vented Bulbul. The white-cheeked Barbet. The red whiskered Bulbul. The Baya's weaver. The Jordan's Leafbird. The common Woodshrike. The Indian robin, male. The Oriental Magpie robin. The Rufus Treepie. And not to miss the squirrel that joined the birds. And yet many others used the tree. The green bee-eater. The Coucal. The pied Bushchat, male. And the female Bushchat. The scaly-breasted Munia. Jungle Babbler. Coppersmith Barbet. The Oriental White-eye. The Flameback Woodpecker. The black Drongo. The house sparrow. And the purple sunbird. And under the tree, a common Myna. The common Tailor bird. the Indian robin, male and female, the Brahminy Starling, the grey wagtail, and waiting above, a spotted owlet. Wow! Just one tree could do this. Can you imagine if there were plenty more of them? Please plant more trees.